In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone running iOS 18. Many people want to disable voicemail for various reasons. If you find them annoying or don't use them at all, it's easy to turn off voicemail. To get started, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. Tap on Apps. This section lists all applications installed on your device in alphabetical order. Scroll through this list until you find Phone. Tap on it. Now that you're in the phone settings, it's time to tweak two specific options. First, tap on Call Forwarding. If call forwarding is currently enabled, make sure to turn it off by toggling off this switch. This step is crucial as it can affect how calls are managed. Next, go back and look for live voicemail. Tap on it as well. Similar to before, if live voicemail is turned on, toggle off this switch too. Both of these adjustments are necessary for disabling voicemail functionalities. After turning off both options, call forwarding and live voicemail, you can exit out of settings by swiping up from the bottom of your screen. Now it's time to head over to your phone app. Open it up and select the keypad option at the bottom of your screen. In the keypad, type in this code exactly as shown, #004#. Once you've entered that code, hit the call button. You should see a confirmation screen that says Settings deactivation succeeded. This confirms that voicemail has been successfully disabled along with other features listed. And there you have it. A straightforward method for turning off voicemail on your iPhone running iOS 18. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.